Welcome back to Think Time. Yes indeedy, what have we been up to this week? Quite a lot on the Honda. Clutch cables, brake cables, tanks, seats. Yeah, look at that. Woo, nice. And another test drive in the Stratos. It's now under wraps. We're employing more office furniture bits and pieces in the construction of the world's fastest bumper car. But I expect you'd like to see some of that footage in the Stratos, right? Well, there's 2 episodes with in-car footage, so do tune in, find them. Latest episodes coming soon. In which case you'll need to subscribe if you haven't already, so get on with it. So I'm just going to leave you with a little snippet, a little taster. So if you made it this far, I'm sure you must have enjoyed it to some degree, so do give it a thumbs up, do subscribe down here if you haven't already, and of course encourage others to watch my lunacy.